The ocean is alive. It breathes, it moves, it makes sounds. We know very little about this underwater world. Deep down in the darkness, strange and wonderful creatures swim. They make noises we can barely hear. These sounds are mysteries waiting to be solved. NASA explores space, but did you know they also study our oceans? They use special underwater microphones called hydrophones. These devices can hear the faintest whispers from miles away. Scientists use these recordings to understand the ocean's creatures and its secrets. In 1997, a loud, ultra-low frequency sound was recorded. This mysterious sound was detected by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, using underwater microphones called hydrophones. These hydrophones were originally designed to monitor submarine activity during the Cold War, but they have since been repurposed for scientific research, including the study of marine life and underwater geological events. It was named the bloop. The name was inspired by the unique bloop-like sound that was captured. The bloop was one of the loudest underwater sounds ever recorded, and it was so powerful that it could be heard by multiple sensors located over 3,000 miles apart. This led to widespread curiosity and speculation about its origin. This sound traveled for thousands of miles across the Pacific Ocean. The vastness of the ocean and the ability of the sound to travel such great distances added to the enigma. The Pacific Ocean, covering more than 63 million square miles, is the largest and deepest ocean on Earth, making it a perfect medium for sound waves to propagate over long distances. Some people thought it was a giant sea monster. The idea of a colossal, unknown creature lurking in the depths of the ocean captured the imagination of many. This theory was fueled by the fact that the ocean is still largely unexplored, with more than 80% of it remaining unmapped and unobserved. The mystery of the bloop became a popular topic in cryptozoology circles and even inspired various works of fiction and media. Scientists believe it was probably the sound of a massive ice shelf breaking apart. This explanation is based on the similarity of the bloop's acoustic signature to sounds produced by icequakes, which occur when large icebergs crack and fracture. These icequakes can generate powerful low-frequency sounds that travel long distances underwater. While the icequake theory is widely accepted, the true origin of the bloop remains a fascinating subject of scientific inquiry and public intrigue. Another strange sound was recorded in 1999. It was named Julia. This mysterious sound was captured by the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, NOAA, using their underwater recording equipment. The sound was so unusual that it immediately caught the attention of scientists and researchers around the world. Unlike other underwater noises, Julia had a unique quality that made it stand out. It was a brief but intense sound that seemed to come from the depths of the ocean, leaving experts puzzled and intrigued. This sound was shorter and higher pitched than the bloop. The bloop, another famous underwater sound, was much longer and had a lower frequency. Julia, on the other hand, was a quick, high-pitched noise that resembled a mechanical or electronic signal. Scientists compared the spectrograms of both sounds and found significant differences in their patterns. The origin of Julia remains a mystery, but its distinct characteristics have led to various theories and speculations. It sounded like a mournful whale call. Some researchers initially thought it might be a biological sound, possibly from a large marine animal like a whale. However, the frequency and duration of the sound did not match any known whale calls. The idea that it could be a new, undiscovered species of marine life was both exciting and daunting. The ocean is vast and largely unexplored, and Julia serves as a reminder of the many secrets it holds. Scientists are still unsure what made this sound, but it highlights how much we still have to learn about the ocean. The enigma of Julia has inspired further research and exploration, pushing scientists to develop new technologies and methods to study the deep sea. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the complex and mysterious world beneath the waves. Julia is not just a sound, it's a symbol of the unknown, a call to continue exploring and learning about our planet's final frontier. Section 5. Unmasking the sounds from giants to earthquakes. Many things create sounds in the ocean, Whales sing their haunting songs. Dolphins click and whistle to each other. Underwater volcanoes rumble and roar. Even earthquakes create powerful sounds that travel through the water. Section 6. Eyes in the ocean. Technology's role in acoustic exploration. In recent years, the advancements in technology have revolutionized the way we explore and understand the vast, mysterious depths of our oceans. From sophisticated underwater vehicles to cutting-edge acoustic sensors, these innovations are providing us with unprecedented insights into the underwater world. New technology is helping us understand the ocean's sounds. These sounds, often referred to as the voice of the sea, include everything from the songs of whales to the subtle movements of tectonic plates. By capturing and analyzing these sounds, scientists can gain valuable information about marine life, geological activity, and even climate change. Autonomous underwater vehicles, or AUVs, can travel for months, navigating the ocean currents and diving to incredible depths. These robotic explorers are equipped with a variety of sensors and instruments that allow them to operate independently, collecting data in environments that are often too dangerous or inaccessible for human divers, recording sounds and collecting data. The data collected by AUVs includes everything from temperature and salinity measurements to high-resolution images and acoustic recordings. This wealth of information is then transmitted back to researchers on the surface who use it to build detailed maps of the ocean floor, track the movements of marine animals, and monitor the health of coral reefs. This information helps us map the ocean floor, study marine life, and protect our planet. By understanding the complex ecosystems that exist beneath the waves, we can develop more effective conservation strategies and take action to mitigate the impacts of human activities on the marine environment. In this way, technology is not only expanding our knowledge of the ocean, but also playing a crucial role in preserving it for future generations. Section 7. Mysteries solved, more to uncover. We've learned a lot about the ocean's sounds, but many mysteries remain. New creatures are still being discovered. Strange sounds continue to be recorded. The ocean is a vast and unexplored frontier, full of wonder and excitement. Section 8. The Ocean's Call, a plea for continued exploration. The ocean is essential to life on Earth. It regulates our climate, provides food, and supports countless species. We must continue to explore and understand this precious resource. Our future depends on it. Section 9. Dive in. Your journey into ocean science begins now. You can be a part of the adventure. Learn more about ocean science. Support organizations that protect our oceans. Together, we can unlock the secrets of the deep and ensure a healthy future for our planet.